Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachael. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, hello, you're in the right channel. And I promise you, this is not going to be a waste of your time. So in this video, I want to give you 5 reasons why you need to start your affiliate marketing journey today. No go dey waste time, my sister, my brother. So like I said, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why you need to start your affiliate marketing today in 2022. So sit back, relax and enjoy while we dive right into it. But before then, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video, guys. Please like this video. If you find this content really helpful and useful, please kindly like this video. And if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now so you subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon right beside you so that you are aware of when I drop new videos. This channel is going to be focused on business, money making, entrepreneurship, and sometimes photography, because I have a love, a big passion for photography. Now let's get right into it. Like I said, in this video I want to give you 5 reasons why you need to start your affiliate marketing journey, or should I say your affiliate marketing business today. All right guys, let's start. So the number 1 reason why you need to start your affiliate marketing business today, it is because affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses to start online, if not the easiest business to actually start online. The truth of the matter is that anybody can do affiliate marketing. So it is not a kind of business whereby you need to go and start. It is not rocket science, let me just put it like that. So it is a business that is very, very easy to do. So no matter your qualification, no matter your background, no matter who you are, no matter what you think you're doing presently, you can do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the easiest of them all. And guess what? There is huge reward in affiliate marketing. Number 2 reason is this: it requires little or no investment. That is, it requires little or no startup capital. If the reason why you've not started a business all this while is because you're thinking of, hey, startup capital, you don't have another extra money to actually invest in another business, then you need to start affiliate marketing. There are a lot of affiliate marketing platforms out there where you don't even need money to affiliate for them. You affiliate for them, and when you make the sale, you earn money. If you watched my first video where I talked about affiliate marketing for beginners, you already know that affiliate marketing is you referring customers or bringing clients to someone that has a product, or to a company that has a product, or to a platform that has a product, and then you earn commission based on that. So there are a lot of people out there, there are a lot of businesses out there, a lot of companies out there, a lot of platforms out there that you don't actually need a startup fund to start with them. All you need is the willingness to actually make money. Do you know some people don't have the will to make money? Like, they just always see every money making opportunity as hard. So scratch that. What you need is the willingness to make money. With affiliate marketing, little or no investment is required, and you're on your way to financial freedom. The number 3 reason why you need to start affiliate marketing today is because most of your favorites are doing it though. Sit down there and be looking and be dulling yourself. Most of your favorites are doing it. Most of all those online skip makers that you really love so much, they're actually doing affiliate marketing and cashing out on the side codedly, and you're there dulling yourself. You're not doing affiliate marketing. You're giving yourself 1,001 excuses why you cannot do it. Very recently, Niger brand chick, I hope you know her though, she posted on her Instagram talking about how she has been making a lot of cool dollars from affiliate marketing, and she even introduced the platform to people. And guess what? That is the truth. Your fabs are doing it. People that have money more than you, they are doing affiliate marketing. So what is stopping you from doing affiliate marketing, my friend? You better wake up from your slumber and get to work. The number 4 reason why you need to start affiliate marketing today is because there are so many products, so many niches out there that you can actually choose from. Like seriously, if you know the stress involved in actually creating a product, whether a digital product or a physical product, you will thank God that, God, oh, affiliate marketing, thank you. I am a manufacturer and I also have a digital product as well. Gosh, I used to think that only physical products I used to think that creating physical products was stress. Creating digital products is the stressest. You know what I'm saying? Please pardon my English. This is how we vibe in Nigeria. Please, if you're not in Nigeria and you're watching this video, I'm wondering, is she okay? Yes, she's okay. Just please manage my Nigerian is coming out in this video like that. So basically, guys, creating products is not beans. It is not easy. So affiliate marketing has made the job easy for you. People have already created products in the area of your passion, or in the area of the niche where you decided that you want to venture on. If creating products is what has been stopping you from starting a business all this while, you want to start your fashion business, you want to start digital marketing, you want to start your online business, but the problem is to even sit down and create that product is stress. You don't even know where to start from. See, my sister, my brother, I understand you. When I created my course, mobile phone photography and videography training, guys, I was like, at the point I almost refunded people that has actually paid, because that course was sold on pre-order and I actually sold it before I created it. I was like, he didn't tell me this till where that is hard like this. So do you understand? So creating a product is actually not easy. So when you find people that have created courses in areas that you like, and you actually went through the course and you said, wow, this course is awesome, please sell it. Just start your affiliate marketing journey with that and start marketing it. Negotiate with the person. If it's not a platform, negotiate with them and say, see, I want to start selling this thing for you. How much will you give me if I bring customer for you? And that is it. You're on your way to financial freedom. Take it serious. Take it like it is your own. Market it like it is your own. Refer customers to the place, and when they buy, guess what? You're also cashing out. So that's for that. Meanwhile, if you would love to get my mobile phone photography and videography training, that is, if you're a photo enthusiast like me, you're a business owner, and you want to improve your products and personal pictures and videos and all of that, just find the link in the description. So let's move on. The number 5 reason why you need to start your own affiliate marketing business today is because it will give you the opportunity to actually be your own boss. See, a lot of people have turned to Bele Pawo. Don't worry, I'll translate that because I understand that not all of you are Yoruba listening to me. Now, what I said, Bele Pawo, is Yoruba term for stay in your house and make money. A lot of people will not even step outside their door for weeks, for months, and guess what? They are surviving. People will be like, this person know they come out, this person know they go out, this person doesn't even step out. They're surviving. My sister, they're making money online, and most of them do affiliate marketing, if not all of them. Take me for example, I hardly go out. As a matter of fact, when it's time to step out, it's like there's this phobia of going, I don't know, because I've been so used to staying indoor because I make my money by being indoor. So I want you to join me as well. Affiliate marketing gives you the opportunity to be your own boss. You set the time you want to work. You set the time you want to close. Do you understand? Just be disciplined about it. So as a bonus, I know I said I'm going to give you 5 reasons, but as a bonus, I just want to add this one because I'm a nice girl, and really there are so many reasons why you need to start affiliate marketing today, but I just feel like these ones are the hottest reasons. So this bonus reason is this: you and I know you need more money. Let's stop pretending for each other. Let's stop pretending for each other now. You and I know that you need this extra money. Things are getting expensive every day. Cost of living is increasing every day. Naira to dollar exchange rate is not even funny. And me and you, we know you are broke. You are broke. Yes. So, what is stopping you from starting your affiliate marketing journey or your affiliate marketing business? And please don't forget to like this video. If you can as well, share this video with your friends so that they can also learn and see the reasons why they need to get into making money online through affiliate marketing. Because why? Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to actually make money online in this 2022, most especially. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me up until this point. Don't forget, if you've not yet liked this video, please like it and just comment under this video if you actually gained something from this video. What did you learn from this video? I would really love to hear from you. And also, if you have questions, feel free, ask in the comments. I'll try my best to actually answer your questions. And finally, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and I love you. I'll see you in the next video.